All right, this is the final product of my Canvas class that I've created. Here in my dashboard, I've created the one that I'm doing for this assignment is the A1 clothing. I've got a couple others that are in the works right now, but this is the one that I am focusing on for this assignment. I apologize, the school internet is painfully slow. So here we come to my homepage, clothing one, a picture of myself. I've got an external URL link to my email. We've got a school phone number. We've got a table here that shows links to pages, assignments, quizzes, discussions, and models. These are going to be the ones that most often are going to be used for my class. Little intro about the class. So if we head over to modules, I've set up modules based on the different units that I have in my class. We have one that they have to complete all the items in this. I want to make sure that everybody is able to access my disclosure and have read it, so they must complete the quiz in order to do that. I have some that will unlock on a certain date. There are some that I won't let them access until they have done that disclosure. If we go over to discussions here, I have two discussions, that one regarding vanity sizing. They watch a video and read an article and then have some discussion that goes with that. So here I've embedded the video. I've had a link to the article that also will go with it, and then a couple of questions to respond to that. And then my other one, there are 3 parts of a video series, and then they watch each of those. They can watch it within the link, or there's also a link to take them to YouTube. YouTube is blocked at our school, so I've included an embedded version of it. I know it's small, they'll deal with it. And then some comments that they can have with that. With the assignments that they will have, this isn't all of them, but just a couple of them. You can see I've added quite a few assignments. Some of them will be turned in through paper. Can't remember which ones off the top of my head, which I did for this. Sorry, I know that you're wanting to make this short and sweet. Well, while I'm here, here is a self-assessment that goes with, you can see I've created a rubric to go along with it. This is based off of our school citizenship policy that we will be grading with that. Videos that I've created, I put a lot of things under files. That most everything is under some kind of module here. Sorry, I'm trying to make this so fast and I'm ending up taking more time. Okay, let me go back. Let me go back to assignments. My fashion style, that's the one. This one is going to be submitted through uploading it to Canvas, in which students write a paragraph, find some videos, not videos, pictures from the internet, and are able to attach those. I have included a lot of videos in some of my modules and how they work for my classroom, a lot of how-to videos, because I feel like if they understand how to do certain skills, that will free me up to have a little bit more one-on-one and allows them to work at their own pace. So it was really easy to embed a lot of these videos, which, sorry, my iMovie wasn't so great. and
on your machine. When you
here we go.
turn your machine on, it's going to be set at 1. Your stitch length is going to be flashing.
So they can follow this on their own, and this is great because YouTube is blocked at our school, so it's being able to be within there. So not only are these my own videos I've created, but I've also uploaded them to YouTube and then able to embed them in Canvas. I think I've covered it all. A lot of it is kind of hands-on project work, so assignments aren't necessarily, a lot of them are going to be turned in on a paper version of it, but I do have access to it for students who perhaps are absent. We've already done this assignment in class, but students are able to, you know, we can see that it's turned in on paper, but they can also find a lot of the information on here. That's not the one. Back. Info. Sorry, first world problems. And then I guess the students will be able to log in. It's a Google slideshow. Here we go. That they can go through the information that they need to fill out their packets that they would get. And their bolded parts, that's how I tell them what they need to underline, because we're in middle school and they can't quite follow and use their own brains. They must be told what to do. I think that's it. If you find that you're missing anything, feel free to contact me. I feel like I was able to go through the rubric and say, yep, I've got everything. Thank you.